Warning: please read the warning we make in the More Information section of our channel. We aren't responsible for the information herein. A magic trick with tea bags for your teeth that your dentist does not want you to know. In brief moments, a written explanation. Tea is one of the most consumed drinks around the world, just behind the water and coffee. There is a wide variety of tea available all over the world, and each of them offers health benefits. But this time we will focus on something we do not take advantage of and end up throwing away: tea bags. We will let you know some uses you can give to the tea bags before you throw it. You will be surprised. Hidden benefits of tea bags. 1. Relieves gums. For those who feel pain in sensitive gums, refrigerated tea bags can relieve discomfort. They are placed in the morning area, and will gradually reduce inflammation and wounds, if any. 2. Treats sunburn. The common thing is that a person will burn the skin of his back when he goes to the beach. If you find yourself in that case, consider that the tea bag helps you get rid of itchy and scaly skin caused by the burn. Black tea has calming properties that suppress excess heat. 3. Recharge to tired eyes. The tea has tannins that energize the eyes. When you feel tired, place previously cooled bags on your eyelids. Reduce swelling of the eye area. 4. Fix small burns. Tea tannins relieve inflammations produced by high temperatures. If you had a small burn, treat it by placing 2 or 3 wet and cooled tea bags. They are very useful against kids. 5. Eliminate dandruff. Dandruff is a terrible discomfort in the hair. It is often dealt with high-cost products. However, tea represents an economical alternative with which you can rinse your hair. Choose your favorite tea and massage your hair for at least 15 minutes. It is worth noting that this treatment also gives you brightness. 6. Removes warts. Tea contains antioxidants that prevent the growth of warts. Simply place the tea bag in the affected area and apply a bandage. They should be changed every 15 minutes. It is also recommended to ingest tea every day. Thus, the effects of the virus will be reduced. 7. Refresh your shoes. No one can deny that a shoe with bad smell is extremely uncomfortable and even embarrassing. In the face of this difficult situation, it is good to know that the tea bags absorb the moisture and bad odors present in the shoes. The sackets will help keep them fresh. 8. They work as fertilizer for the garden. Tea bags can reduce the pH that is found in the soil, which limits the growth of fungi and plants. Beat with several bags on the floor, while the plantation is young. With this resource your garden will look beautiful. 9. Helps to clean dishes. A plate full of grease ends with the patience of anyone. Now, if you leave the dishes soaking overnight with some tea bags, you will see how they will absorb the fat. That way, cleaning them will be much simpler. 10. Farewell to the watermarks of the mirror. A great way to remove the dry stains of water in the mirrors of the bathroom is with cloths drenched in tea water. Remove the nasty marks and give shine. With this trick they will look radiant. 11. Control the odor of the hands. People close to the kitchen suffer when they want to remove their hands from the penetrating odors coming from the ingredients. How to resolve this issue? Just rub your fingers in a wet tea bag. The smell will disappear. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.